Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel M2K Sai. I am Khushi, and in today's video we will discuss 7 hacks on how to study without forgetting. Now many people have this issue that they study and they just forget whatever they studied within half an hour. So how to overcome that problem? First of all, a very important hack that you all should follow, that do not mug up. Do not study for just the sake of studying, for just showing that to your parents that you are studying. Do not mug up everything. Like if you are studying that elementary canal is a long tube running through our body. Elementary canal is a long tube running through our body. Don't do this. You will not be able to learn that properly, and you won't be able to remember that till your exam. Instead of that, just memorize whatever is given in your book with your mind by understanding each and everything. So do not mug up at all. Rectification बिल्कुल नहीं करें. Second point is, try to understand but never learn. I will not ask you to learn. Do not learn anything. Do not learn anything present in your textbook. Just learn whatever is given in your textbook. You know what some people do? Not some. What many people do? Many children do. Whatever the question answers are given in your textbook, or whatever the definitions are given in your textbook, they will learn the definition word by word. But that, and even if you're getting marks by doing that, please do not do that, because that is definitely not good. You will just forget that after your exam. But if you want that to stay for your whole life, if you want that to give you some good results in your life, for that what you have to do is you have to understand each and everything. Now for elementary canal, you will understand that, right, this is a very long tube, just like the pipeline of our house. Try to make things ridiculous so that you can learn properly. So it, like the water comes through the pipelines through to our house, this is a pipeline running through our body, but this is only for learning. Please do not write pipeline in your examination. So this is a long tube running through our body with various diameters at different points. So try to understand each and everything. Now if you are learning this and you do not know what diameter means, there is no use of this. Try to understand each and every word given in that line or whatever you are learning. Third point is, make answers in your own words. As I said, do not copy the same given by your teacher or the same given in the digest. You will forget that definitely. So try to write the answer in your own words. Now when you understand that elementary canal एक लंबा सा ट्यूब है जिसमें various diameter है at various organs or at various points, now you will be able to write this in your own language, right? If you write that tube with various diameters in various organs, a long running tube, it can be in any way. You can write it in your words, or you can even say a tube with various various radius at various places. So you can write it in your language. The teacher should understand that you are able to know the concept. If the teacher will come to know that you are not able to know the concept, and if you have just written the same line, then they will not give you marks. Next point is, study while you are making notes. Now while you are making notes, at that time only you should complete your studies, right? Like you have written one line of your notes, then just try to understand that line, then write next line, and then understand that. So in that way you will complete two tasks in one way, two tasks together. Next point is, study in such a way that you are teaching someone. Become a teacher. Now I do not know how many of you will like this, but this is my favorite, and I only study in this way. Whenever I study, I just become a teacher. I just sit in front of a bare wall and just start teaching to someone sitting in front of me virtually. So what you have to do is, because when you are a student, you do not have any headache, you do not have any pressure on your head. But when you are a teacher, you have to study before teaching to your students, because if you will teach wrong, then your reputation will go down, right? Your school will remove you. But if you are giving wrong answers as a student, no one is there to punish you. So try to become a teacher while you are learning, while you are learning your concepts, while you are making notes, while you are reading your textbook. So while you are reading your textbook, what you have to do is just read just like your teachers, in the same manner. Just read one line, then try to explain that to your children. If you know that yeah, this concept is clear, I really do not want to know these basics, just teach the same way a teacher teaches you. teach to yourself. You have to become your own teacher. Next point is concentrate in your class. Sometimes we do not concentrate in our class and think हम तो घर पे जाके कर लेंगे and we will be able to do that. But sometimes you are not able to, and if you are not a tuition going child, then you should definitely do this. You should definitely concentrate in your class, because firstly you will concentrate in your class, then you will come to your home, you will read the chapter again, then also you will revise that chapter. Then for the third time, if you are for even then even for one time, if you are revising your chapter, that will be sufficient, because 3 revisions will be done, right? So that will be a bonus for you. Next and last hack is don't study by pressurizing yourself. I already told this in the first line as well. You should not study for the sake of study, or for just studying to just show that to your parents. Do not study by pressurizing yourself. Just be calm. Whenever you feel like to study, if you want to study at night, study at night. If you want to study in morning, study in morning. Every time is preferable for studying if you are comfortable in that time. So do not study by pressurizing yourself, and do not do this thing ki I'll set an alarm for 3 o'clock 3 a.m. I have to study, because nothing will go inside your mind. Do not pressurize yourself, then you will be able to study properly and memorize everything. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like my channel, subscribe, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.